My dear students, good morning to everybody. So, you are very much anxious about the chemistry video. So, first of all, let me write regarding some bits regarding competitive chemistry. That is NEET, JEE, MSET. So, some bits asked. Pyrophosphoric acid. Pyrophosphoric acid. Pyrophosphoric acid. JEE 2020. Pyrophosphoric acid. What type of bonds present? POP, POH, P bond. So, if you want to know the what types of bonds in pyrophosphoric acid, first of all, you like to know the structure of the pyrophosphoric acid. If you want to know the structure of pyrophosphoric acid, you are supposed to know the formula of pyrophosphoric acid. H4 P2O7. H4 P2O7. If you want to draw the structure of pyrophosphoric P double bond O. You know, phosphorus pentavalency, it always forms 5 bonds in exciting state. Phosphorus atomic number 15, it shows pentavalency. It has a d orbital. Okay. This is structure of pyrophosphoric acid. O 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. 2 piece, 1, 1, 2 piece. 4H, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, okay. How many POP bonds? Only one POP bond. So, POP bonds is 1. How many POH bonds? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many P double bond O? 1. So, 2. Let me repeat. POP bonds 1. POH 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. PO bonds 2. This is the question which was asked in 2020 JEE main one, just recent examinations. So kindly keep it in mind. Pyrophosphoric acid. అట్లే ఇంకొకటి మీకు ఆర్థోఫాస్ఫారిక్ యాసిడ్. Phosphoric acid structure and basicity H3PO4 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 H, 1 P, O, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the structure of H3PO4. If you want to know the basicity, the number of hydroxyl groups, 1, 2, 3. So basicity is 3. The number of replaceable hydroxyl groups, OH groups, that is nothing but basicity. If it is acid, we show basicity. If it is a base, we show acidity. So 1, 2, 3. So basicity 3. How many POH bonds? 1, 2, 3. How many PO bonds? So other phosphoric acid basically chala manchi. The most important question, that is 3. Kindly keep it in mind. Number of OH groups 1, 2, 3. 3 POH 1, 2, 3. PO group 1. PO. Next, another important bit, phosphorus acid, H3PO3, PO3, basicity 1 2 3 3 P O 1 2 3. Okay. So pentavalency, phosphorus shows pentavalency. Penta, it always it forms PCl3 as well as PCl5. In ground state it shows trivalency, in exciting state it shows pentavalency. So 1 2 basicity is equal to 2. 1 OH equal to 1 OH equal to 2. Number of POH bond 1 2. Catch the 2. PO groups 1. pH 1. So this is also many people have been confused the basicity of the phosphorus acid, phosphoric acid. Phosphorus acid is 2, phosphoric acid is 3. Another important question is the boiling point of water 373 K. At the same time, the boiling point of H2S is, this question was asked in 2020 JEE mains. So the boiling point of water is 373 K. You know pretty well. Water boils at 100 degrees C. If you want to convert Kelvin, what you are going to do? You have to add 100 plus 273, that is equal to 373 K. You want to change the centigrade unit in Kelvin units, what you are going to do? You want to add the 273. So let us go 373. Okay. H2S. BP of H2S is equal to minus 60.7 degrees, etc. So very low. Here is in water hydrogen bonds are present. In water H2O, if you go H bond, okay, I already told in first year chemistry. Negative charge, partial positive charge. The weak electrostatic attraction between negative charge oxygen and positive charge hydrogen, nothing but hydrogen bond. So hydrogen bond is present in water because the size of the oxygen is very less and the highest electronegativity oxygen electronegativity is ON is 3.5. So small size and highest electronegativity, so the formation of hydrogen bond easily favorable in case of water. But in case of H2S, if you observe it, the size of the sulfur is large. Oxygen sulfur, first point, the size of the sulfur is large. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, a radioactive element. Chalcogens, what we are calling them as a chalcogens. Chalcogens. So here H2S 61.7. What you are going to do? You want to decrease 273 Yo. So 212.3. Example. If you want to 273 plus add. What happened? We have to deduct minus 60.7 from 273. You will get 212.3 K. So which is more higher? Which is more higher? HUTS or water? Water is 373 K. In case of water is water boiling point is 373 K, whereas HUTS boiling point is 200.3 K. You know, where is water is more, HUTS is less. So no doubt the boiling point of water 373 K we have mentioned. The boiling point of HUTS is no doubt 373 K is greater than 212.3 K. So that means H2O greater than HUTS. The only reason is presence of hydrogen bonds, absence of hydrogen bonds, no hydrogen bond, no hydrogen bonds, presence of hydrogen bond. Because of hydrogen bonds, the more the energy required to break this bond, the more energy required to convert H2O to raise the boiling point, but because presence of hydrogen bonds are there in H2O, so the more energy is required, the more heat is supplied in case of H2O. Why? Because presence of hydrogen bond. But in case of HUTS, there is no hydrogen bond because the sulfur size of the sulfur is more and the electronegativity of sulfur also less. Size of the sulfur more, electronegativity less. So therefore, water boiling point is greater than HUTS. So 373 K is greater than 212.3 K. So kindly mention, you have mentioned this type. How many bonds present in tetracyanoethylene? Tetracyanoethylene, carbon, ethylene means 2. Tetracyano, cyano group. Okay. Carbon satisfied. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. Tetravalency satisfied. So how many sigma bonds? How many pi bonds? If you want to calculate, first I want to calculate sigma bond. If it is a 3 bonds, one is sigma and the 2 is pi bonds. So 1 sigma, 1 plus 1, sigma 2 pi bonds. Sigma 2 pi bonds. 1 sigma 2 pi bonds. 1 sigma 2 pi bonds. 1 sigma 1 pi bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So sigma bonds is 9. Let me repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pi bonds 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8, 1, 9. So tetracyanoethylene. How many sigma bond? You want to draw the structure of tetracyanoethylene. Cyano groups 1, 2, 3, 4. Tetra non-cyano groups. That is 1, 1, 2, 2. అనుకున్నాడు కదా 1, 1, 2, 2 tetracyano అనుకున్నాడు 1, 1, 2, 2 tetracyanoethylene. You can say. So number of sigma bonds 9, number of pi bonds 9. The structure and